So SAU USD, these are one of our old charts on SAU, and I think the structure of the market has actually played out. After I called a sell idea at 2,728, our market respected 28 level before ultimately breaking the structure. After breaking the structure, it tapped into a supply roof. The supply roof has a very strong price action. Here we have here as a structure, 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 all identifying supply. And each of the supply is a break of the previous high. This was a break of the previous high. This was a break of the previous high. And this also came a break of the previous high. And on technical, if SA is rejected at that level, a rejection at this level is very eminent based on the structure and the strategy of Shavyfxhub, indicating that price could be rejected at 2,758, which I called out yesterday during the Asian section and the Sydney section. And it feels good to see that price tapped into that rejection zone 2,758 into 2,764. It's a zone. So at that level, I'm beginning to see a significant rejection, and negotiation is ongoing. But I think any moment from now, um, sellers are going to take this market down. Any moment from now, they're going to take this market down. I think at the moment they will have to bring it down into 29, even as much as into 26, where we have a strong demand flow to make further negotiation. At that level, if that level of negotiation fails, then it be a case of a continuous bearish move where price will play in line with the current price action. This is what I see. But if in the course of the negotiation that the buyers were able to have their way and the support structure paves the way, then it will be an ultimate time to see price move back again to retest our 4 hours ascending structure where we see sell by break of a previous high or possibly an attempt into the zone of our previous high. So in this case, if we break out from this roof, then ultimately we are coming to this area in the zone of 2,791, possibly by New York session. This is what you should get. But at the moment, the market is trapped in a sell radar. The market is already trapped in a sell radar, whereby 2,758 is rejected based on the supply structure. And I told you our strategy is based on sell on the break of the previous high. And we'll have a break of the previous high here. The previous high we had here was 2,726. Our market has gone on to print over 250 pip from the previous high, indicating that at the moment sellers could be winning this war. Sellers could be winning this war based on the structure of Shabby FS. So I see this price coming down to this zone. And if you are following my structure actively, you will see that our structures follow market price action without any form of indicator, without any form of sentiment. And we rely on 3 hours, 4 hours for entry. So your point of entry net might likely be when price returns into this level 2,726 into 2,730, 33, 34 into 35. There you look for a potential buy opportunity to trade back in line with the current price action. At this level, you see market have established a structure here, established a structure here. And at that structure the market has established also paves the way for a buy momentum, indicating at this level that buyers could struck in and push this market down. At this level, buyers could return with a buy potential to give you a 6, to give you a 6, to give you a 6. But a break below this level will score you a 9. If market breaks below this purple line, you're going to start scoring 9. A break below this level is a 9. So this is how we analyze markets. And feels good to see that market triggered our sell order at 2,758. We woke up and saw it triggered. This is what it takes to be a market structure specialist. When you specialize in market structure, you have to be confident. You don't need to follow anybody. Just believe in what you are doing and watch your results. And if your result is not consistent with winning, then you have to look for somebody you will follow. But if you have a consistent result, stay on your lane. Because I'll tell you, every risk you take in the financial market is on you. I will tell you again, every risk you take in the financial market is on you. So you need to develop the intuition. You need to develop the instinct. You need to be able to have a pattern, a strategy that you think over time have been well tested to address the financial market in a way it will bring you a win. At least 70% winning and emotional control can actually set you apart in among the list of other noise makers. So here you can see the structure, very clean structure playing out. It feels good to see that rejection. And when we have an ascending trend line, we have price creating a demand floor here, creating a demand floor, creating a structure, demand and respect of a supply roof, and price return. And most likely sellers are going to be rejected here to score a nine. I can tell you, I can tell you again, there's a very high probability of rejection at this level, indicating a nice structure here. And if that happens, then it will not really be a bad day, but it will be a respect of the structure of the market where we see a potential swing down. That potential swing down might ultimately bring price to this level where we see that you have your weak correspondence. So that might continue to push price into 2,676. This is very likely. This is very likely because price showing a rejection at that level, and at that level we'll have double confluence. Rejection at 2,758 came with double confluence. We have two ascending trend and rejecting price on that level. Come on, at this level we could be seeing a significant rejection. But however, we are going to watch 2,730, 2,730, 2,729. Put your buy order. You need to put a buy order at this level. At this level, there is a very high probability that the market will correct because it makes a decent sense to see break of yesterday high. So if market breaks yesterday high, it makes a point for you to see that this area becomes area of strong confluence. This purple line. Let me change the color to something that is very unique to remember, and I hope that it strikes a resemblance for us. So we see that at this level, if market breaks down here, it takes away entire of yesterday ideology and comes down to this area to plan a buy again. So I think at this level, 2,727, it makes a decent sense to wait for market 2,727 into 2,730 into 35 for a buy potential, where we look if market will accept this level. If they accept this level and break the structure, then ultimately SAU USD will look to trade in a new all-time high. But at the moment, market is holding this level as a demand floor. So the new demand floor is going to be 2,728. So if we continue to seek acceptance and we accept this level, if we reject this level, this price is going to come down, hoping to score a 9, a tremendous 9 at this level. So this is how we manage to, scoop on that 2,758 to wake up to see a supply trigger. Very fantastic, very fantastic, very fantastic.